Welcome back to Quiz Hair. We will be testing your geography knowledge with this word quiz. Think fast. Most people fail by round 10. If you can get at least 20 of these right, you are a genius, and you probably didn't know it. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Hair channel for more exciting quizzes. Ready? Let's go. Round 1. Name an ocean that starts with the letter A. Atlantic, Arctic, and Antarctic. You thought of something else? Drop it in the comments. Round 2. Name a continent that starts with the letter A. Africa, Asia, and Australia. Round 3. Name a famous river that starts with the letter N. Nile, Niger, and Nen. Round 4. Name a country in Europe that starts with the letter F. France, Finland, and Faroe Islands. Round 5. Name a U.S. state that starts with the letter C. California, Colorado, and Connecticut. Round 6. Name a planet that starts with the letter M. Mars, Mercury, and Moon. Smash the like and subscribe button if you are kicking it. Round 7. Name a capital city that starts with the letter L. London, Lisbon, and Lima. Round 8. Name a desert that starts with the letter S. Sahara, Sonoran, and Syrian. Round 9. Name a mountain range that starts with the letter A. Alps, Andes, and Atlas. Round 10. Name a country in Asia that starts with the letter J. Japan, Jordan, and Java. Round 11. Name a type of water body that starts with the letter L. Lake, lagoon, and loch. Round 12. Name a country in South America that starts with the letter B. Brazil, Bolivia, and Bonaire. Round 13. Name a language that starts with the letter S. Spanish, Swahili, and Swedish. Round 14. Name a famous landmark that starts with the letter E. Eiffel Tower, Everest, and Empire State. Round 15. Name a country that starts with the letter C. Canada, China, and Cuba. Round 16. Name a cardinal direction that starts with the letter S. South, southeast, and southwest. Round 17. Name a tropical fruit that starts with the letter P. Pineapple, papaya, and passion fruit. Round 18. Name a country in North America that starts with the letter M. Mexico, Martinique, and Montserrat. Round 19. Name a city in the USA that starts with the letter N. New York, Nashville, and New Orleans. Round 20. Name an island country that starts with the letter I. Iceland, Ireland, and Indonesia. Round 21. Name a capital city that starts with the letter P. Paris, Prague, and Peking. Round 22. Name a country that starts with the letter G. Germany, Greece, and Ghana. Round 23. Name a natural disaster that starts with the letter F. Flood, fire, and frost. Round 24. Name a Great Lake that starts with the letter E. Erie, Eldon, and Enid. Round 25. Name a country in Africa that starts with the letter E. Egypt, Ethiopia, and Eritrea. Round 26. Name a Canadian province that starts with the letter O. Ontario, Ottawa, and Okanagan. Round 27. Name a famous volcano that starts with the letter E. Etna, Erebus, and Elbrus. Round 28. Name a sea that starts with the letter R. Red Sea, Ross Sea, and Riga. Round 29. Name a country that starts with the letter S. Spain, Sweden, and Switzerland. Round 30. Name a landform that starts with the letter V. Valley, volcano, and vineyard. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and comment on how many points you got right. Check out one of these videos.